If you can't remember your Mac login password, you can reset it. We'll teach you how to reset your login password using your Apple account, and then we'll show you how to reset it using the Recovery Assistant in macOS Recovery. Before you start, it's a good idea to restart your Mac and try to log in again. Also, your login password is case sensitive, so be sure to check for the caps lock symbol in the password field. Finally, if you've tried your password too many times, your account might be temporarily locked. If so, there will be a message below the password field that includes the amount of time you need to wait before you can try to log in again. If you still can't log in and have File Vault enabled, we'll teach you how to reset your password using your Apple account. In the login window, you should try your password multiple times and click the question mark button to the right of the password field to check for a hint if you originally set one up. We tried these steps but still can't log in. To begin resetting your password, click the question mark button again. Now, click the reset message that appears above the password field. If it doesn't appear, you might need to try entering your password a few more times. Once you click the message, your Mac will restart. This might take a moment. Next, enter your Apple account email in the Recovery Assistant and click Next. Then, enter your Apple account password. Click Next. And type in the verification code sent to your phone number or a trusted device. Select the user you want to reset the password for and click Next. Now type in a new password that you'd like to use to log into your Mac. Remember, your password is case sensitive. Then, enter the password again into the Verify Password field. Optionally, you can enter a hint to help you remember your new password in case you forget it. Click Next when you're done. And then click Restart. Your Mac will restart to the login window. You can log in with your new password, and you're good to go. You can also reset your Mac login password by using the Recovery Assistant in macOS Recovery. Recovery is the built-in tool your Mac uses to make changes to your startup disk. Depending on the type of Mac you have, the way you start up in Recovery is different. If you're using a Mac with Apple Silicon, you'll start up by holding the power button and then choosing Options. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, you'll start up while holding Command-R on your keyboard. Once you're in macOS Recovery, click the Utilities menu at the top of your screen and then choose Terminal. In the Terminal window, type Reset Password with no spaces directly after the short text that appears. Then, press the Return key on your keyboard. This opens the Recovery Assistant. Next, click Deactivate Mac and click Deactivate to confirm. This is temporary and does not remove or affect your data. Now, type in a new password that you'd like to use to log into your Mac. Remember, your password is case sensitive. Then, enter the password again into the Verify Password field. Optionally, you can enter a hint to help you remember your new password in case you forget it. Click Next, and your password is now reset. Click Exit. Select the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen and choose Restart from the menu. Your Mac will restart to the login window. Just log in with your new password, and you're all done. Now you can keep using your Mac. Problem solved.